Hi, I'm Syeda Ishrat and welcome back to Official Ishi Art. In this video, you'll learn how to create a simple floral border, one of the most beautiful elements of Mughal miniature painting.
These tiny flowers and leaves look complex, but I'll show you how to draw them step by step in the Mughal miniature style. And yes, even beginners can do this. Hi, I'm Syeda Ishrat and welcome back to Official Ishi Art. In this video, you will learn how to create a simple floral border, one of the most beautiful elements of Mughal miniature painting. You will need a fine brush or pen for outlines, good quality paper, watercolors and gouache paint, a pencil and eraser. That's it. Simple tools and big results. Here's how to make floral border in 4 steps. Number 1. Outline the frame. Draw a neat rectangle or square where your border will go. 2. Sketch simple shapes. Use light pencil lines to place small flowers and leaves. Keep them repeating in pattern. 3. Inking the outline. Go over the pencil lines with a fine brush or pen. 4. Add color. Paint with gentle layers. Use red, green and golden tones for a traditional Mughal look. The beauty is in the details and tiny dots, petal lines and golden touches to bring your border alive. This patience and attention to detail are what make miniature art so special. And here's the finished border. Simple, elegant and traditional. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, subscribe to Official Ishi Art
next video, how to mix traditional Mughal colors. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, subscribe to Official Ishi Art.
Thanks for watching.